Hello, escape room fans. We have fake bomb in case with keypad. Let me show you the puzzle. Let's turn on the puzzle with special key. You see all the settings here: battery level, correct code, timer. Now we have to close the case. Puzzle is ready, and when we open it again, it will start to count down. I know the correct combination, I will save the world. And short technical notes. Puzzle is working with help of batteries. Battery lifetime is around 24 hours. Of course, you can program your own code, set your own time, and you can charge the battery with help of common USB Type-C. Thanks for watching.